I got this feeling inside my brains. It goes electric wavy when I make them A's. All through 4th grade, all through my school, we're flying up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that sunshine in my pocket, looking forward to a good day. I feel I can do everything when I try. I can't stop myself from learning, moving up academically. We'll unlock the way we rock it, so don't stop.
Hello everybody and welcome back to part 2 of determining degrees, okay? So today we're going to be learning about the second part of what we learned yesterday. And if you remember, yesterday we were learning about how to determine the degrees in an angle, and that angles and circles go together, just like pizza, right? If a circle, if the entire thing of a circle is 360 degrees, and I take out one slice or 1 degree from that pizza, then that slice will be 1 degree. And it doesn't matter whether the size of the circle is big or small, because the angles stay the same, okay? A circle is always going to be 360 degrees regardless of the size. Alright, let's go ahead and go to our objectives. So it says, I will know how to identify an angle based on the degree. I will understand how to identify the fractional part of a cutout and relate it to the degree of an angle. I will be able to share in a group discussion how to illustrate degrees as units to measure an angle. Okay, so we're going to look at our notes today, and we're going to see some practice problems. To determine angle, you can show the fractional part of the cutout or the angle, okay? For an example, if I were to draw, okay, if I were to draw a circle, okay, and I cut it into fourths, my denominator would be 4, right? Because there are 4 sides. Now if I shade this in, now what type of angle is this right here? What type of angle is it right here? Good, it's a right angle. Okay, so if I shaded this in, how many shaded parts do I have? 1. Okay, now this is how I'm going to relate fractions to degrees, okay? Now I know that there are how many degrees in a circle? Good, 360. That is something you need to know, okay? Now I already know this, okay? Now if this is a right angle, and remember, what is a right angle? Good. So how many degrees are in a right angle? Good, 90. Okay. So 1 fractional part of this fourths is 9 degrees out of 360. Okay. And how could I have found that? Let's say I didn't know, okay? Right? Let's say I didn't know. Okay, let's say I didn't know what was the degree. Well, I could easily have divided 360 by how many parts? 4, okay? Okay, so now we can just divide. Let me just move this a little bit. Okay. Alright. 3 divided by 4, or turn this into multiplication. 4 times what would equal 3 or less than 3? Good, 0. Okay, 4 times 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 0. Oh, I'm sorry, not 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Look at you catching on. Good. Okay, now I bring down my next number. Okay, 36. So now I'm dealing with 36. 36 divided by 4, or 4 times what will equal 36? Good, 9. Okay. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. Okay, I still gotta subtract. Okay, my new dividend is 0. 0 divided by 4, or 4 times what will equal 0? And I know that's 0. Okay, 0. 4 times 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay. Now the reason why I didn't stop here, okay, is because I still had to bring down my 0. The reason why I still had to bring down my 0, and I had to follow the steps until I couldn't do nothing. Now I can't do anything, okay? Please make sure you're following all the steps correctly. So my answer for each one of these parts is going to be 90. Okay, oh, and look at that. And we already know that based on the angle. Okay, let's go ahead and do a few more. Okay. Alright, this one. Alright, what do we know? We know that there's 360 degrees in a circle. We know that there's 6 parts. And we know that we're trying to find out 2 angles. Usually when we divide, we only get 1. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what to do. So I'm going to divide 316 by 6. Okay, so 6 times what will equal 3? 0. 0. 6 minus 0. 6 times 0 is 0. That's 3. Okay, 6. Now I'm dealing with 36. 6 times what will equal 36? Good, 6. Okay, 6 times 6 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. Bring down my 0. And I still gotta do all the steps all over again. 6 times what will equal 0? Which is 0. 6 times 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, so each one of these is 60. Okay. But I need to know 2 of them. What am I gonna do? Good, I can add 60 plus 60, or 60 times 2, which is gonna give me what? Good, 120. So this angle right here, first of all, what type of angle is that? Good, it's an obtuse angle. Okay. So this obtuse angle is how many degrees? Excellent. 120. Let's go ahead and do the next one. Okay. So again, I have 316 divided by 9. Okay. So it's going to be 3 divided by 9, or 9 times what is going to be equal to 3, which is nothing, so 0. 9 times 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. And my new number is 36, so then 36 divided by 9, or 9 times what is going to equal 36? which is 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. I still gotta bring down my 0. Still gotta do all the steps. 0 divided by 9 is 0. Oops. 9 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So each one of these is how much? 40. Good. So how can I get all of this? All of that. I can add 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40, or I can multiply 40 times 4 because that's quicker. That's 0. Oh. Give me 1 second, I'm sorry. Sorry, my mistake. I thought it was wrong. It's 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So that means this angle right here is 160. Excellent, okay. So we're going to do the rest in class. And let me leave you with your exit ticket for today. Okay, it says, how many degrees are in an angle that cuts two fourths of a circle? Is it A, 90, B, 180, C, 270, or D, 360? Okay, go ahead and copy down the exit ticket in your notebook, and I'll see you next time, okay? Have a great day. Bye.